Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can edit the global permissions in Jira. So what you want to do is to go right top corner to settings, and when you're going to be here, you just want to click on system, and then you're going to see here project permissions, right? And you're going to see right here that, okay, so browse and use the group, administer Jira, use the group, you get also like project roles here. And then you can see share dashboard and filters. So these all administrative side admins, manage group, Makeable, and you can grant the permission. So Makeable Changes, and then you just choose it and add. So this is pretty much it. And this is like up to you which one you're actually gonna choose. And also you can add a role here. So if you can create a new role, add a description, and then add the permission here in global permissions. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.